Hello folks, today we are doing an inspection of a garage and the structural integrity of the garage. And actually this garage here has so many things going on with it, I got a feeling we're just going to call it a blower upper. But look at this beam here. This is a support beam. You can see the long expanse coming up through here. And so this beam is it's actually being holding up you can see where we got some scissors holding up all my floor or my ceiling rafters, and look at this right here. I mean, it's just totally rotted away, and literally, look at that. I'm not kidding you. I can't believe that this is actually something somebody thought was acceptable. Anyway, folks, if you see this kind of crap, okay. I got it. We'll do that in another video. This is just, there's so much stuff happening with this one. Look at this. Look at that beam there. You see that beam over there? It's sagging. It's needing replaced. Bad. Hey, folks, give us a call. Galloway Building Services. That way you don't get ripped off when you buy your building and you know what's right. Hey, hit like and subscribe. Share this with your friends. We'd appreciate it. And the more people get to see it, the better off everybody's going to be, the more everybody's going to learn. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.